All right, I've been waiting to do this project. This is double exposure. It's gorgeous. I love it. Here's all the layers that are associated with it. There's a lot of layer masking. There's different colors. There's adjustments you're going to make to layer masks, and you're going to be putting screens over images. It's beautiful. And I started with this. All right, and this is what we wound up with. So let me show you how we do this. First things first. We'll go to our image that we want, and you're going to get 3 different images. Get the image you like, which in this case I chose me as the subject matter. You know, you can choose yourself. I'll give you extra credit if you do that. Choose yourself. Then you get an image of anything you like. Can be a jungle, could be buildings, can be a beach, could be a beautiful scene in Italy, could be somewhere in Guatemala, it doesn't matter. Then I chose birds. Alright, it could be a blimp, could be I don't know, could be a pterodactyl, whatever you want. So I got rid of 3 different images, 3 images. The birds, the city scene, and me. On the me picture, you could unlock the layer if it's locked, right, after you've inserted it. Not showing you how to do that. You should know that by now. You're going to go to select subject, and it's going to automatically select the perimeter of me. After you've selected the subject, create a layer mask. Now that we've got a layer mask created, you're going to do the adjustments layer. In the adjustments layer, please do a solid color. Drag this over to gray. Hit OK. After you have done that, drag it underneath you. So now you are a separate entity of the mask, and you can just see yourself better. There's more contrast. I'm bringing back my city layer. I'm going to double click on this because I'm really detailed and I'm a nerd. I'm going to call it city. Now that I have that as city, there is nothing wrong with being super detailed. You have to name your layers. So after you have city here, you're then going to go to the drop menu and go to screen and put it as a screen overview. If you don't see the screen sometimes, you just unlock this unlink the layer for whatever reason, weird. After you have it as a screen, you're then going to right click on the screen and you're going to create a clipping mask. After you've created that clipping mask, boom, it takes it really cleans things up. You start to really see things. You can click the move tool in your city scene, whatever it be. You can also move it around however you like it and get it perfect. I liked it exactly where I had it. After you've got it perfect, create a layer mask. In this layer mask, click on it. Click on your brush tool. After you've clicked on your brush tool, you hear that train over there? It's in Long Island City, right? That's what this is. So after you've clicked on the brush, you're going to make sure that this black is on the foreground. The brush is here. Click on the size. I like the size. I have it here. You can adjust the size right here by clicking and dragging. All right, I had it at about a 700. You can also click and manually type in the sizes you want. I did a 700. All right, that's the size I desire. Opacity at 100. Leave the opacity all the way up to 100. And then you're going to have the flow. Make the flow at about 15. 15. On your layer mask, you could now, with this black, clean up a little bit and bring features back. So I don't want any parts of the body, the torso, just click it and you can now bring it back. I'll bring back some of the silhouette of my head. I'll bring my ear into focus, get my eyes in, and I'm brushing it. I'm getting some hair in there. Okay? Get the neck, and you just kind of brush around and clean it up a bit. Okay? After that, something that I really should have stressed, and I don't think that I did, is that when you're choosing the brush, make sure it's a soft round. Don't choose a hard round, do the soft round when you're doing it, because it gives you that feathered edge. Okay? After you have gotten everything, all your features where you want, what you're looking to have seen, then you're going to go into, you're going to change the color of the solid color. Okay? You can double click on it, or you can make it any color you want, or you click on that color, and what I'd like you to do really is click on, sorry about that. So scratch that. You could actually double click on this, and when you're in here, yeah, you could change it to any color you want. Sorry. You could also click on the eyedropper tool, and you click on the color that you want. I want to get as close, move it around, right? You don't want to get the building. You want to get I want to get as close to that as I can right here, so that I have a space here to create a little bit of a gap here in the cranium, in the head over here, right? Perfect. And then I'll hit OK. Now I'm going to bring the bird's layer to life. Now that I've got the bird's layer visible, I'll change it to multiply. Oh, sorry, wrong layer. Control Z, excuse me. Normal, make that multiply. So in the bird's layer, it just took away the white. After you're in the bird's layer and you've taken away the white, or whatever layer it be, you want to remove the background, you can also move it any way you'd like your stuff to be, okay? I kind of like it there. And that's not so bad. Oh, maybe I'll move it a little higher. That's fine. No complaints. There. Okay. Move tool and apply. You can also erase birds or anything that you don't want in your layer, and erase them this way. Control Z brings it back. So that's one way you could do it, or you could also create a layer mask. Sorry, you could also create a layer mask, and then in the layer mask you could start deleting stuff too. Alright, and do it that way. Alright, that said, now that that is all done, at this point you have your birds perfect, or your image is basically starting to look exactly the way you want it. Now you're going to hold Shift and select from top to bottom. So if you select the bottom layer, hold Shift, select the top layer, get all your layers. If you select the top layer first, hold Shift, select the bottom layer. Doesn't matter. You're then going to right click and you're going to merge layers. Compress everything into one layer. After that, you are then going to right click and you're going to convert this to a smart object. There you go. So now you have only one layer here and everything is in one layer of a smart object. Now, after this, now that everything is transferred down into one layer, we are now going to go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Camera Raw Filter is going to open up, and now from here, listen, this is just about clarity. You can really pull all of these and change things, and little hues are all going to come to life and change, and you can really play with all these little colors and different. You can grab blacks, whites, shadows, everything. It really helps all of your cores here. So for all intents and purposes, every image is going to be different, and you're going to be able to play with the image and do with black and white, monochrome. Change it to a deeper hue. There's a lot of possibilities here. So you play with the camera raw as you feel you deem it's necessary. I'm going to leave it pretty simple. I kind of like it the way that it is right here, just like this, and I'm going to hit OK. And there it goes. And now you have created your first double exposure. Thank you.